What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome to Doc's Practice Room. Hey, so glad you joined with us today. We're going to be looking at the 6-stroke roll, but in a triplet form. So the regular 6-stroke is going to be. So we're going to want to put that in a triplet form, so it'll feel like this. So we have right, left, left, right, right, left. All right, so let's look at it continuing on. We also want to make sure we accent the very first part of it and the very end of it. So. All right, so you're going to want to start this on the and of one. So if you're going, so you have 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. That's where you want to start at. All right, there you are. So, hey, try practicing it, put it in your repertoire, hey, and have fun with it. I'll see you in the next lesson.